Today, I will be taking you through the virtual conference. When you first log in, you'll arrive here in the lobby. Here, you can see an overview of current and upcoming events, including conferences, as well as training courses. To enter an event that's currently running, simply click on it and go ahead and follow the instructions. To set a reminder for a future event, simply click on it and click Set a Reminder. You can then add this to your calendar of your choosing. Our Chemical Watch Conference tab is where you can browse our calendar of upcoming and current events. You can also register for events here. You can click the More Info button to get some more information, and the bell icon when you would like to set a reminder. The Chemical Watch Training tab allows you to browse our program of training webinars, workshops, and courses. Within the Chemical Watch eLearning tab, you're welcome to join any of our eLearning courses. Under our Webinars tab, you can join any webinars. And within our On-Demand tab, you're welcome to watch any of our videos at your preferred time. If you have any questions, simply click this icon here in the lower right-hand corner. And you can ask our team, who will get back to you as soon as possible. If you leave a question outside of our office hours, you can still leave a message and we'll get back to you as soon as we return. If you click this second icon, it'll bring you to a help page with some helpful articles and videos to walk you through the tool.